Welcome to my channel. I'm Shadow Scout Swede. I want to say welcome to my new supporters and my returning supporters. You're very welcome. Well, this video is a review on another book. And if I remember it correctly, I've never done a review on this specific book. And this book is on Swedish. And the book is Crisis Handbook. Okay, this one. Beautiful book, isn't it? Looks like this. Really nice. And the back side looks like this. Very beautiful book. I like this book, actually. And here it says important phone numbers. And the other side, important websites, which is really nice. I like that one. And this book describes everything you need to sustain yourself in a crisis or manage. In the first chapter is your house or apartment. And this chapter describes how you keep the heat and the warmth in your apartment or house. If the grid goes down, no water, and the next chapter, which is green, is the food. What kind of food can you have and eat in a disaster or crisis? And how you prepare the food, like canning, dehydrate, and things like that, okay? And how to store food, how you store your food on a proper way. Food in the freezer, food in the garden, heat food, cook food on a stove, wood stove, or cook food in the woods or in the garden. The next one is body. Well, it is detailed description in this book, and a body is the next one. Psychological reactions and physical reactions, how your body and your how you work, how you function in a crisis, psychological and physical. And the next one says sick. Emergency situations, non-emergency situations, moving of a wounded or injured, hygiene, how you wash yourself, how you clean yourself, and the toilet, wash clothes, and avoid to get sick in the kitchen, okay? The society. It says, what kind of help can you expect? Safety points. Voluntary defense organizations. Public shelters, etc. Communication. Very important message to public is one of them. Social media and the access to social media. Preparedness. Practical kit and practical and useful kits. Emergency bag, survival tin, and other. Well, it mention a lot of stuff, okay, on that head chapter. And it says practice, 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 plan, and it's wonderful book, and it has pretty nice here nice pictures. I like these pictures in this book. And here is another one. So it mentions first aid. It mentions, well, a lot of things. And I can say, this one is cool. How to build a rocket stove of bricks, which is pretty cool. Sorry. Anyway, this is the best buy I have done. And this is a rocket stove of square beams. Swedish fire log is one of them. So it's pretty cool book actually, and here is lashings, different types. And this is another one. Beautiful pictures. I like this. So it is, it mentions plants. Well, I can recommend this one, but this one doesn't exist in the. I don't think they translated this one to English, but I think they should, because this is a really awesome book. Well, if I would grade this 1 to 5, actually, I would give this one a 5, because It is easy reading. Everybody can read this, and it's easy to understand. So, okay, guys, this book is what I can recommend. So, if you can get this book on English, buy it. And, well, this video turned out to be a pretty long one. So, I have to shut down now and get this video uploaded. And, guys, thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And if you want to make a donation, you can do that on my PayPal account. And guys, take care, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one. Shadow Scout Swede, out.